Cisco Systems, the very foundation of the internet, has let go of 4,000 workers, which amounts to 5% of the Cisco family. And this happened yesterday, the 14th of May. The numbers indicate something strange though. The revenue is up 12%, a solid $15.8 billion in just 3 months. Record cash, record layoffs. The market seems to revel in this so-called metaphorical bloodbath. The stock is an indicator of that because it is soaring. Welcome, I believe, to the era of the efficient titan. CEO Chuck Robbins says this isn't so much about saving pennies. Cisco actually wants to be the blacksmith for the AI crusade and are doubling down on Silicon One, the chips that actually fuel the giants. Hyperscalers have, of course, an immense appetite, and Cisco already has bagged $5.3 billion worth in AI orders just this year. Their target is $9 billion by the year end. It seems like, well, quite a pivot or a perish scenario. They're trading human capital for compute power. Cisco isn't just selling AI, they're also actually consuming it. Engineers are using OpenAI's codex to write the future. The staff is talking to Circuit. That's their actually in-house AI assistant. So imagine it like the movie Her, but for enterprise networking. The humans who are left behind have to level up. Cisco is giving the departed a parting gift. 1 year of Cisco U. Free certs in AI and cyber. It's actually like a thank you for your service. Now go get a new skill vibe. Now, of course, for the part which is the parting of ways, which I believe has been quite expensive. Cisco is spending $1 billion to say goodbye. Severance, benefits, bonuses. $450 million of that hits the books right now. It's actually the price which they're paying for agility. They're joining the 2026 club. PayPal, LinkedIn, Cloudflare. The trend, it seems, is quite clear. Companies are trimming down. They are being quite mean when it comes to, well, laying off people. They are actually starting to shift every dollar to the GPU supremacy. Is Cisco shrinking? That is the question. The answer to that, well, not really. In 2018, they had 74,000 people. Today, even after the cuts, they have 82,000 people. So I think it is not so much a funeral. It is more like swapping generalists for specialists. And for, of course, everyone who's watching right now, the message is loud and clear. The $63 billion revenue target is actually the North Star. And if you aren't building the AI is actually coming for your job. The machine seems to be quite hungry, and Cisco is making sure it gets fed first. What are your thoughts? Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.